to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Okay, y'all, so it is that time again for Fabfitfun, and y'all know that this is a huge box. I'm not one of the select members, so I get mine a little bit later than some of the other people, so I'm sure you've probably already seen a few of these, but yeah, since I'm on a time frame, I guess I'll just go ahead and get started, because this might take a second. Okay, dear Lord, at the stuff. Alright, and here's the little magazine sort of thing. I'll try to remember to look at that in a second. And then I got a coupon for the HelloFresh Cook Up a Fresh Start. Probably won't use that though. Okay, first thing I see is this ISH, which I think stands for I'm Smoking Hot, lip statement palette. Let's see this. Oops. Ooh, that's pretty. Y'all see that? That's pretty. I may have to do a first impressions on this. I like that. It came with a lip brush too. That's awesome. Okay. They had sent a couple of ISH products not too long ago. Well, it's a couple years ago now when it first came out, and they sent a bronzing and like a highlighting, contour, and blushing palette and whatever. I didn't like it. Didn't look good on my skin tone. Even though they asked about skin tones, but it didn't work for me. So, but I'm excited to try this. I'm going to probably do a first impression, so stay tuned for that. Alright, the second thing I see is this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. So I guess it's just a moisturizer. Yes, it is a moisturizer. Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract, a natural humectant, queen of meadow refined skin texture, while arnica smooths skin for a smoother, healthier looking complexion. Well, I don't have acne-prone skin, but I mean, I'll give it a try. Okay, and then what's in this? Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot to show you that. Let's open it and see what the bottle looks like. Oh, so it's literally like a lotion bottle. That's cool. Okie dokie. Oh, that's cute. It's a little necklace, or is this a bracelet? It might be a bracelet. I don't know. It's pretty though. I like that. And next thing I see is this Deuce Luscious Lip Stain. Y'all know that I have had a love-hate relationship with this brand. It looks like I got the color Dark Lust. I don't know how I feel about that. What is this? Okay, so here's the lip stain. And it is a brown. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about that. And I got the lip gloss. Are y'all interested in seeing your first impressions on this? Let me know. Okay, so says go matte, sheer, or shiny. The Luscious Lip Stain is a two-step application that includes a matte pigment applicator with a glossy transparent tube that can be applied over the matte and when you want that extra shine. Okay, so this is just a matte and this is the lip gloss. Okay, I may do a first impressions on this just to see what it's like. Okay. Put this back in this box. That's not bad. But like I said, I've had a love-hate relationship with this brand. And what is this? Like a bag, I guess? Ooh! Is this like... Oh, it's like a little, bag slash wallet sort of thing. That's okay. I like that. That's awesome. Surprisingly enough, I kind of like the color, even though it has some purple in it, but that's cute. Okay, I like that. I can't get it zip back up. It's kind of like a crossbody. The only thing that can make this any better is if it had like a little strap. But this is cute. Okay, I like that. And it came with this little bag that you can put it in to keep it clean and whatnot. That's awesome. Okay. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, let's see. And Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Keratin Peptide Infused Pentavin Moisture Magnet. Professional Lacquer Formula. So this is a nail polish. That's a pretty color. Okay. But it's a concealer. It says, for visibly damaged nails, ridges, yellowing, discolored, acrylic gel, dehydrated, weak, brittle, and spotted. I'll try that. I don't know that I have excessively damaged nails, but I'll definitely try it. It says, Dermalect Makeover Ridge Filler combines 2 extraordinary anti-aging ingredients in one innovative treatment. Transform damaged nails into a makeover sensation to achieve beautiful, natural-looking nails. Brilliantly conceal nail imperfections. Successfully fill in ridges. Strengthen weak, brittle, hard-to-grow nails. Treat acrylic or gel damaged nails. Keratin Peptide helps strengthen weak nails and make them more resistant to damage. And the Pentavin, a crucial moisture bonding agent that acts as a water magnet for dry, brittle nails. Okay, I will definitely try that. It says apply 1 or 2 coats on natural nails as a treatment or under polish as a base coat. Begin at the center of the nail, fan out for maximal coverage, and brush out to free the edge. Okay. Ooh! Okay, I'm excited about this. I was wanting to try this. I was thinking about buying it from Ulta, and I love Dove. I am a long-time user of Dove since I was a little girl. My mom used it, or uses it still. I've been wanting to try this exfoliating body polish. Have y'all tried this? Let me know. I got the blue, which I guess it doesn't matter what color I got, but yes, I'm excited to use this. Reveal silky smooth skin with new Dove exfoliating body polish by exfoliating and restoring skin's natural nutrients. In shower or bath, scoop a generous amount of body polish in hand, spread all over body in a circular motion and rinse. Follow with Dove body wash or Dove beauty bar. That is awesome. I'm really excited about this. I'm really glad I got that. So now I might actually get it. Alright, and I got a sleep mask. That's awesome. Me and my husband use these all the time. With love from Texas, from Free People. That's really cool. Me and my husband might be fighting over this. He'll probably try to take it from me. Alright. Ooh, and I got a Chorus Guava. Well, okay, it's a Chorus Guava body butter. That is amazing. I can't read it because it's basically all in French, I guess, or Greek, I don't know. But a stimulating scent of tropical fruits, smoothing and moisturizing cream for all over the body, rich in shea butter and avocado oil with softening, nourishing, and moisturizing properties. Wow, it's really clean too. It says it's free of like mineral oil, petroleum, wax, silicones, parabens, and a bunch of other stuff. It does say it's free of retinol, so whoops. But yeah, okay, that's awesome. I'm excited to use that. Alright, and the last thing I see is this Physique 57 massage roller. Serious results, serious relief. Use this massage roller after an intense Physique 57 workout to give your muscles some sweet relief. Oh, okay. Me and my husband might really be enjoying this. That's gonna be kind of awesome. Alright. See results in just 8 workouts. Okay, exciting. Alright, and I think that's it. Okay, I hope you've been able to see any of that I've shown you. That box is so big, it's just kind of takes over. Okay, y'all, so this box was exciting. I'm kind of digging it. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. Okay, now let's get into the little magazine and read. I've got some of this stuff. Apparently it's their 5th anniversary. Congratulations, Fabfitfun. Okay, so it says, what's in the box? Total value between $347 and $354.99, depending on selection. That is awesome. However, now that I see the selection of those bags, I am kind of sad about the one I got, but it's okay. I don't mean to be a negative Nancy. Okay, so the purse retails for $60. Whew. The Rachel Paley Reversible Clutch in Bloom, Sahara, or Paradise. Say hello to the cutest clutches around from designer Rachel Paley. These patterned picks are the perfect complement to any outfit. And the best part, they're reversible. Yep, 2 clutches in one. Really? I didn't even pay attention to what mine looked like on the inside. It says tip. Use the patterned side to add a pop of color and use the reverse side to accent more elaborate outfits. Okay. Okay, and the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion retails for $40. Damn, girl. Skin Perfecting Lotion, yes please. This ultra lightweight oil-free moisturizer helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy while also providing hydration. It also minimizes the appearance of pores, refines texture, and smooths redness and irritation. Like I said, I don't really have any of that, but of course sometimes I do. Sometimes I have a little bit of redness. I'll just try it. And don't forget to use this lotion on your neck and chest to get full coverage. Okay. And it looks like I could have either gotten that or... Well, I didn't get this, but it looks like I could have gotten it, depending on the selection. It says the Anderson Lily Sunset Collection Candle in Manhattan Beach, Fresh Linen, or Super Bloom. I would have liked to got that, probably instead of the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion to put in my house. Is there anything better than lighting a candle after a long day made with, I don't know why I'm reading that, I didn't get it, but the candle would have retailed for $45. That's cool. And the lip palette there I did get retails for $42, which is actually not that bad because you're getting for 12 lipsticks. So, pucker up, ladies. This palette features 11 intensively pigmented shades in one balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color, enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. You can mix and match for endless color combinations. Tip, read through the magazine to find out all about the amazing looks you can create. Offer 20% off the order. Use code ISH20 at the website. That's awesome. And then this little Physique 57 massage roller retails for $20, and I'm happy about the color I got because I don't like purple, silver, or blue. So, this massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improve flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5 or 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. Retails for $20. Throw this in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. Me and my husband are really going to enjoy that after each workout. Then the Free People Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Mask. This vegan leather eye mask features a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. That's why it felt so, like, squishy. I was wondering about that. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. It retails for $40. And store the cooling patch in the fridge to help depuff weary eyes. Alright. And then the little nail polish, the concealer nail polish. Keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisture. And it retails for $18. Okay. And it says apply as a base coat or a top coat, and you can wear it along for a nice sheen, as it said a few minutes ago. And the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Polish your way to smooth, soft skin with something different. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, created with a fourth moisturizing cream that nourishes. This body polish cares for your skin as it exfoliates. Remove dull, dry skin from the surface and leave your skin feeling silky and smooth. Apparently that's a sponsored product. And it's an additional product, apparently. Okay, and these down here I'm about to talk about were the choice products. These are items that you can customize based on your hobbies or personal preferences, so you'll get one product in each category. I don't remember getting asked, but I'm not a select member, so I may not have gotten asked. And because I did not get to choose, I believe I got the Course, I don't know why I'm saying believe, I know what I got. The Course Guava Body Butter retails for $24. Slow away that winter-worn skin. This body butter is enriched with I can't read. Dear God, it's only the second video I've filmed. Enriched with shea butter and quince extract to soften, moisturize, and rejuvenate the skin, while sunflower, almond, and avocado oils work to nourish and improve skin's elasticity and smoothness. Slather on right after showering so you can lock in moisture. And I could have gotten the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask for $24.99. I would have liked to have gotten that. I've been wanting to try a lip mask. My lips stay so dry. And I could have gotten the Daydreamer Tassel Earrings. They retail for $58, even though I don't know, I might not have liked that, but. And I did get the Maya Bringer Designs Love Bracelet. Okay, so it is a bracelet. I thought it might be. It retails for $65. Okie dokie. We love springing the love, feeling the love, and we love this Maya Bringer Designs bracelet. How can you not? This simple design is perfect for everyday wear. Pair this dainty piece with a statement watch. Yeah, that is a really cute bracelet. I'm going to try to wear it. Okay. And I think that's all. So, I don't have time to do the math at this moment, so I will put, when I'm editing, I will put what my box retailed for. So, because it could have retailed between anywhere from $347 to $354.99. That is amazing. Okay, y'all. So, I guess that is the end of this one. Do you guys get Fabfitfun? And if you do, what did you get in your box? Because I'm dying to know. I think I kind of like this one so far, minus a couple products. I probably would have rather gotten something else versus this, since it's for problematic skin, and I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this, I didn't see anything about this. Did I miss it? Okay, well, this is not in the booklet, so, but it was in there. Oh well, whatever. But, yeah. So, I'm probably going to do a first impressions on a lot of these products. Let me know down below which products you want to see me do a first impressions on, and I will do that for you. Alright, y'all. So, I guess that's the end of this one. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe, because, especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, come on back to my channel on those days for new content, and let me know what I haven't done that you'd like to see. And, yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later on. Bye. Thank you for watching.